Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by verifying prerequisites, the correct game version and one Ark key in inventory. Once done, power the activation node with a power cell at 50% or higher. This prevents shutdown during initialization. Move to the node fast and clear 2 nearby sentry turrets so you can safely interact. Make sure to pick up any map fragment 1/4 pieces en route, because missing fragments block the next sequence. Now, insert the Ark key and hold to begin the boot routine. You will now execute the core synchronization sequence. This is the complex middle step. First, defend the node for 180 seconds while the cores attempt to sync. Position yourself between spawn lanes and use cover. Next, align the 3 core beams by rotating the mirror arrays to the 12, 0, 0, 4, 0, 0, and 8, 0, 0 positions. Small adjustments matter, so nudge them slowly. Finally, monitor energy levels and swap in a backup battery if the power cell falls below. You finish by triggering the ascension at the central console once all 3 cores show green. Press and hold the confirm button to start the final sequence. Stay in the area until the cutscene completes, then collect ascended ore and the Ark blueprint from the reward pod. These unlock upgrades. If the ascension stalls or freezes, clear the game's cache and reboot. If that fails, reload a save before activation and retry with a fresh power cell, because corrupted state or low energy are the usual causes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.